Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. And if you have still didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel. I think I need to start like SQL series, and after that, I would like to tell you that I'm in final year and I got placed in like lots of companies, like three companies, and two is the my on campus and one is the off campus, which is of big MNC like Deloitte. So I'm here to explain my like I'm here to explain my experience, like what you need to do and all things. So yes, I will start the like interview question series, and also so today we will start the like SQL series. And please subscribe my channel. So let's start. And yes, we'll learn all thing in the gigs 4 weeks. Okay, so basically I will started with the SQL. If you are beginner, so you need to know what is the abbreviation of SQL. So the abbreviation of SQL is that structured query language. We use SQL for storing our data. Okay, it is known for the storage for the data, and it is related from the relational database. So let's start the SQL series. So basically what it has written all thing like abbreviation of SQL, and after that all thing how will you update manage your data. And it is the relational database, which means that your all data is stored in the like table form. Okay, and after that you will also, if you want to manage your SQL, so you need to read the like DBMS, like database management system. Okay, and after that let's start. So what is the history of SQL? SQL was invented in 1970. Okay, and it is used for the like commercial distributed and first invented by the Oracle. Okay, and also Java is also lots of you can do certification inside the Oracle. Okay, so firstly the IBM has designed the SQL, and it gives the name SQL, structured English query language. Okay, and their acronym is that SQL. And after that we will learn what is the component, like what thing we were using inside the SQL. So like database, table, queries, constraint, and stored procedure. So I just wanted to say one thing, like when you do coding, so you when you write the code you say I'm doing the coding, but inside the SQL when you write the code you don't need to say like it is a code, you need to say it is a query. Okay, so inside the like a transaction, how the transaction will work, like at the time you can easily see that lots of payment gateway which was working like Paytm, phone pay. So all thing is happening inside the transaction. Okay, so we'll next. So what is the SQL injection? So when you will make the like project etc, so you will listen the word injection. Injection means that cyber attack, when someone attack in your database. So we were using SQL queries injection into field and manipulate a database. Okay, and we are unable enable unauthorized access, data modification or corruption. Using parametric queries and input validation help prevent such attack. Okay, so if someone like a cyber attack will be done in your database, so you will use in your queries, like in your database, like SQL injection. Okay, so what is the characteristic of SQL? So SQL is a user friendly. Yes, it's very easy, like if you were doing coding, so it's a very easy to do all thing. Okay, declarative language, like you need to write the code in English, but yes, it's declarative. You can easily retrieve the data, store the data, manage the data, all thing. And after that, efficient database. Yes, standardized language. Okay, so I would like to give you know about the NSI. NSI means American National Standard Institute, and ISO, International Organization for Standardization, means that they have given the like some license for the like SQL for this. So we can easily say that it is ANSI and ISO, this is standardized language. Command structure, execution mechanism, built-in functionality. So you can easily do SQL if you're a beginner, so you can easily go through the YouTube and you can easily find like um, like inside the YouTube, you can easily find like a workbench. You can easily do the queries, and I will also prefer you all thing. I will tell you, but after that, firstly, we will need to learn this. So what is the means how SQL work? How SQL work? Okay. So like firstly, we'll took the input, then parse, optimize, execution, output, insert, update, delete queries, like lots of kind of queries we are going to learn in this series. Okay. Okay. So. Hmm. um Rules for writing SQL query. So how will you write the SQL query? Like if you were doing coding like in Java and C++, there are some rules like you need to use a semicolon, but in Python you need to use colon. There is no any semicolon inside the Python. So you need to like see. Okay, so for first one is that statement termination. How statement termination work? Like semicolon, when you have written your code, like let me tell you, like if you have written the like select statement, and after that you need to you want to do the termination, like you want to execute the next line, so you need to write the semicolon. Okay, and after that it is a case sensitive, so no, SQL is not a case sensitive. If you want to like write the code in uppercase, and if you want to write the code in lowercase or something like camel case, so you can easily write. But I just prefer that some like keywords you need to write in the uppercase. But if you are a beginner, you can easily write inside the like mm, mm, lowercase. And after that, what is void space flexibility? So void space flexibility we will also discuss when we do code inside the like workbench. Unique identifiers, like there's the unique identifier, like keyword we can easily say reserved word, like select from, so they will act like yes, it is a reserved word. You can't write like this. Double quotation, backticks, depending on the DBMS, like what you were using, like SQL you were using or MySQL or PLSQL you were using. So if you want to comment, like if you have written your whole code, and after that you are finding some error, so you want to execute another code, so you can easily comment. It means that the compiler or the run machine cannot run your code or read your code. Okay, you are right. So if you want to do single line comment, so you can use spacebar, or you can use multi-line comment from the like backslash and asterisk. Or I just wanted to tell you one thing, that if you wanted to comment, so select hold the query, and after that you need to use control and then one tab also, like question mark, so you can easily do. Okay, so we are going to discuss about the SQL commands. So we'll discuss the whole thing today. Okay, like yeah. Okay, so what are the SQL command? Like SQL is a relational database also, you know. And after that you can usually commands like creation, manipulation, retrieval, control of data. The first one is that DDL. In my whole company, like I have given 20 to 22 interviews during my preparation and during my placement. So they have firstly asked one thing, that what is DDL. So you need to know the abbreviation is that data definition language. And okay, so data definition, why DDL? Because we are using to define structure of database, like create, alter, drop, truncate, rename. So only inside the DDL we are using create, alter, drop. Okay, so what is the means of create? We are using the create keyword, so we can easily create a new table. Alter, we can easily modify an existing database. And drop, if I want to delete entire table, so I can usually use drop command. Okay, so what is DML? Data manipulation language. Basically what we are doing, like lots of um, keywords we will use, lots of operation we will use inside the DML. So DML, the abbreviation of DML is data manipulation language. A relational database can be updated with new data using data manipulation language, like insert, update, delete. In DDL we have learned create, alter, drop. Like insert, if you want to create a record, update, modify record, delete record. And I will tell you all the code in my next video. And till then, Thanks for watching and please subscribe my channel.